I'm going to burp in class. Ha 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 ha.
Good morning, class. Today we are going to Darcy Helmandollar. How dare you burp in class? That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
So Darcy Helmandollar, why are you here?
I burped during class.
9. Darcy Helmandollar. How dare you burp in class? You know that was incredibly rude of you to do. That's it. You are suspended for 10 million decades. Go home right now.
Darcy Helmandollar. How dare you burp in class? You know you can't do that. That's it.
You are grounded for 10 million years. And we will be taking all the fast food privileges away from you as a punishment. Go to your room right now.